So what happened is I wanted a nesting drum set. Making a nesting drum set is really cool. We tour without a trailer. Touring with something like this sucks when you're trying to fit everything in a van. So I don't like driving a van with a trailer in some of these downtown areas. Us parking in San Francisco, us parking in, downtown Brooklyn. It's insane. It's impossible to park a decent touring bus with a trailer in any of those cities. Now, I haven't tested it on the road, and in fact, I haven't even heard what this thing sounds like yet, so you and I are gonna hear it together in just a sec, but let's replace the rest of these heads and we'll tear this thing down and set it up. Essentially, we took a drum set and cut it in half, made a nesting kit, so it'll all fit inside the bass drum case minus the snare drum and the hardwares.
That's a very good man. Oh, you're doing Winky Rub, dude? Oh, on camera? Oh, he's gonna do it.
I don't like the way this drum sounds right now, and I think I need to put a clear 2-ply head on it. Right now, this thing, you can hear it, it's not even really tuned, but it's not amazing. Could be better. Honestly, I'll just take it off my Pearl reference. Let's do that. It sounds a lot better already, to be honest. There's a guy here in Denver that does nesting drum sets. I'll put a link in the description of his website or whatever he does. Yeah, this thing is really cool. All right, let me tune it. That sounds sweet. All right, let's get the legs on this thing. Let's mount that rack tom. Let's tear down this DW kit. Oh, we gotta put the bass drum head on. All right, it's a couple days later, been getting ready for tour, but really I just want to play these drums through the drum microphones while it's mic'd and ready for tour, so you can hear. I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, you're going to lose resonance on the thing, and yeah, you are. I mean, it's just how it's going to go. The kick sounds great. That's just in the room. You'll hear it mic'd in a sec. Floor tom sounds amazing, and floor tom's cut in half. So I think they sound great. You might disagree, that's fine. I can't get this 12-inch tom to sound anywhere where I like it. And of course now it sounds good. So I'm gonna record it, you're gonna hear it, and tell me what you think. I think it sounds great. Hope you enjoyed the video. All right, peace.